Linomatic exercise book binding machine, Uno B104, is for binding soft title cover staple pin type exercise notebook consisting of manual bunch feeding table, wire stitching unit, folding unit, square back pressing unit, book front cutting unit, book separating cutting unit, and book delivery unit. Manual bunch feeding table with platform arrangement for easy bunch feeding with self-alignment conveyor unit. Book bunch comes to the heavy-duty stitching unit and fitted with world-class wire stitching heads, suitable to stitch various sizes of books within the size of the machine. Book bunch after stitching comes to the folding unit, where there is a central bottom folding knife with gauge setting along with two knurling steel rollers, which ensures accurate and centrally folding of staple pin book bunch. Square back pressing unit. Mechanical square back pressing system with cam follower bearing, which makes perfect edge squaring with uniform pressure. After the completion of back squaring, book bunch enters to heavy-duty cutting unit. Book front cutting unit. Folded book bunch first enters to the precision and high-quality top and bottom long knife cutting unit for accurately cutting folded front side of book bunch. Book separating cutting unit. Partition cutting unit has 5 top and 5 bottom short knife provided with book bunch stopper to separate maximum 4 up book bunch. After separating cutting unit, book comes to the delivery table. Machine is provided with box to collect the paper trim wastage. Control panel. Machine is equipped with high-tech electronic control panel suitable for operating all electrical and electronic function. Machine is provided with air compressor as an optional fitted with inbuilt air dryer.